Sanibingelela bafowethu, sanibingelela. Kama nguZoso. We are live today at Ngizwe's second wife house. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. This is my vlog. Yikho lo nto leyo.
Geza la ekhaya ahambe ayoshuta stage. Geza la awushuta stage. Uhlala buzozo. Akanayo location.
Akanayo location. Phela baba sengijabulile manje. Sengijabulile ngitshela ukuthi sengizoba uma stairs.
Hey lalela uthoni miss call ngeke ke la. Umuntu umuntu.
Usho nje
naye ngamfonela baba niseduma. Wathi ulele kwenye hotel. Ngangifonela kwaSani. Anything nje
ngiyambona
kusho uzozo athi bazodlala emthathu sabawe.
uba hayi bo inkinga phela yayizwa lo nto leyo. Inkinga so ngikwazi ukuthi yabo because angikwazi even ngisho
usuke ngifuna ukunikezele yena
yebo yabo inkinga ngisuke ngingazi noma uyanziba noma yabo kanjani yabo
ubaba uthi uyamfonela
so angikwazi mina ukuthi ngisho mina ukuthi hayi manje esikuphi ebe mhlawumbe uthi yena mhlawumbe uyamcross yabo uyayizwa lo nto leyo.
ubaba uthi umfonele athi ngani yami uzothi ngele thiza ngani yami zokuyela kwanamanje
qeda post
apost abalwelizwe
hayi
bubi fada khona uvale iyo beliko nangu ukuthi asiyaqe
bakithi awupheli ngiyazi kodwa ntombi kodwa ngempela awusacela usenomkoto sibini usiyacela
cha unkosikazi amakhaya
bakithi awuntombi
njengoba before ifoni nje mbonile ukuthi bese
hayi yabona ukuthi niyalandelana impela hayi phela ngokuthi mncane ukuthi angasisika flood hayi
cha phela ngiyeke kusempule yayo
hayi sibonele sihle baba
yeah funa ukwenza hayi abafana uthi ugarela nomuntu azothi wempona mawumuke nje amaphilisi lapha enhlawumbhele awuse umfana wakhe manje kodwa sigalele
hayi awusikile ubani
Yazi, Omakhala, olumfazi, akanalutho, olumfazi.
Hayi kulungile cha hayi kulungile
Hey, ujabule kanjani?
hayi kulungile hayi so kuyahlangana awu phela manje akuthiwe phela kancane awusuka enzakalani awu okamchunu ubumqhele baba
umkhele mfowethu zawuphumuzile kancane
kanti ubuye uphunyuzwe futhi
uyaphunyuza mfowethu usufaka into zakhona masifaka into zakhona sidinga nomuntu eminute yana operate
oh yeah
ufaka kuyashuka
ayi
kunjalo
ayivana sawubona mfelo yaphila futhi yeah this is my vlog of the day today. Yeah, are you good my friend? Are you good my friend? Because I'm speaking to this vlog. I'm trying to attract overseas viewers. You see. So who are you? Who are you, my brother?
Oh me?
Yeah.
This is a guy, King Kukas.
The King Kukas.
Well-known King Kukas.
Yeah.
Yes, I well-known as King Kukas, but
yeah.
My real name is Sibani Mchunu.
Yeah.
Yes, for you. This is a guy who knows English much well.
Yes.
Yes, who English kicks in
Yeah.
into his system and automatically speaks very grateful. Very,
Yeah.
very
Why
excellent.
why you are a king, Kota, but you where is your land? Where is your land? That you are king. That you are kinging. The land kinging.
Yes, mina I'm a king of ukudla igodo zabantu.
Yeah.
Ngiyadla nje mina. La ngifika khona ngisigodi ngifika ngisidle futhi sona.
Iskoto.
Isigodi.
Oh, the land of someone.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Not someone actually.
Yes, yes.
But nje ngizobe sengigodla nje igodi, ngigodle ngizenze zami.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, my
That's
name
why
is-
you became a king. So where is your Scotty?
My Scotty. I'm still
Looking for.
Hlela mfethu izinto zobugodi ukuthi ngizingela kanjani.
Oh, yeah.
Ngihlaba kanjani futhi ngihlaba.
But why you become a king of Scotty, but you never achieved any Scotty?
Because yes, I am the king of the Scotty.
Yes.
The future king of the Scotty. Because I am.
So
Yeah,
you're not a
listen.
king right
Yes,
now,
I
eh?
am the king.
No, like how you can become a king of Scotty, but you never won any Scotty.
Yes, the Scotty automatically gonna win.
How?
Yes.
So you hear what I'm saying, eh? You hear what I'm saying, eh?
so English.
You hear what I'm saying, bro? Eh?
Yes, I know what you're saying.
For now, you are not a king. You right now, yeah?
No. I am a king.
Yeah.
Yes, I am a king. I claim myself as a king.
Yes, yeah.
Because I am the real king.
Or you just name
I'm
yourself.
here.
You just
No.
name yourself.
I am the king who's going to conquer.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna conquer. I'm gonna
Yes.
busa. Ngizophatha ngibusa.
Who named you as your king? You named by yourself or you named by someone?
Actually, I was placed by someone to be the fulfilling king.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Ngaqongwa mina. Wathiwa nansi inkosi.
Yeah.
Nansi inkosi uKing Krukas.
Yeah.
Yes. I was claimed by insizwa.
Yes, yeah.
From Enkandla.
Oh, yes.
So I'm what I am.
Yeah.
By the name actually represents how I was being.
Yeah.
Ngiyona.
Yeah. So you just named it, but with nothing that you achieved, you become a king.
I was named by igameko engaze.
Which Gamego?
Igameko nje ezinkulu ngempela futhi. Engase ngiyichaza manje ngashona ilanga. Singenhla kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yabo. I was named by igameko.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
trying to
yes,
get you, but I'm not getting you, my man. Eh? You see, you see the king, but he just named as king. Eh? You know, eh? Yes, yeah.
But he's justified as the king.
Yes.
Awufana ngeke ngenze ngisi mina.
Eh?
How?
Like how you become a king, but there is nothing that showing you that you are king. You see? You hear what I'm saying, my brother? Eh? Mana fethu hayi bafethu ngeke. Tabona. Hayi washo
So why you call yourself a king too?
Eh?
Why you call yourself a king?
No, me.
Yes. Now it's on you. Why you call yourself a king?
No.
So yes.
What you asking, my brother?
Why do you call yourself a king? Why do you claim yourself as a king?
No, I'm never been call myself as a king. Yes. I'm named by someone. You see.
Oh, someone's.
Yes, someone's. Yes.
Okay,
you see?
okay.
Yes, because I'm look like a king's child. You see.
Oh.
Yes.
Look
so,
like not.
Yes.
But you look like.
I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
but
not a
funny
king.
is-
I never achieved anything.
King food.
Yes. You see.
Yeah.
So I'm just the people they saw me that I look like a king.
Yes. Now they lie at calling you a king. Now they lie calling you a king. They lie.
They never lied because even you named me as a king. You see.
No, me, I didn't name you as a king.
Yes. You call me a king. You see.
I saw people calling you, and you also claimed yourself, even everywhere.
Yeah.
You claim yourself as a king of the Zoso.
Yeah.
What does Zoso mean?
Zoso is the thing that is happening behind us. You see.
Oh, you're the king of pride.
That is Zoso. Yeah.
King of pride.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because the thing that's why they say I'm kings also, because I liked braaiing.
Very
So
much
I like
well.
nyama. You see, even if there is ceremonies, events, I'm specializing with braaiing. You see.
Oh,
Yeah,
now
yeah.
you the best bride
Yeah, yes, I'm best
of them
braaier.
all because you're the king.
Yeah. That's why they named me as I'm a king. I look like another king. you
Look
see.
like another king.
Yeah.
The lying.
Yeah.
Me, I speak the truth.
So we think that you like. Yeah.
Which thing I like?
Yeah.
Like what?
Maybe if you can name one thing that you like, on top of the thing that you like, you see, like the most. Yeah.
Like the most?
Yeah.
I like everything.
Yeah.
I like everything. I'm not a chooser.
Yeah.
But I am a hunter.
Yeah.
Yes. If I want something, I hunt for it and I get it.
Yeah. So you
Yes.
do believe to having a Pythagorean.
Pythagorean.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
My friend. Pythagorean.
Yes. What do we? Yes, it is Tembu, but. I
Yes,
believe
yes.
I believe to maybe I like Tembu.
Obvious.
Why you
Tembu
like
is
him?
also my little name.
Yeah.
You
Why
understand?
you like him?
Because if I see myself,
Yeah.
I read myself like a book.
Yeah.
Reading.
Yeah.
And I see myself that I'm fit enough.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm fit enough, and if I see my characteristic, my characteristic is for controlling.
Yeah.
It's for being a leader.
Yeah.
So obviously, you see, I am gonna be the
Yeah.
this term.
Yeah. So how many wives that you wish to be to have it?
Yes. Actually, for my specific,
Yeah.
I have no limits
Yes.
right now.
Oh.
Yes, I have no limit
Yeah.
because I'm gonna keep on taking
Yeah.
as much as I need
Yeah.
on that specific time
Yeah,
or
yeah.
of the specific year.
Yeah.
Yes, I will keep taking until I fulfilled my destiny.
Yeah.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So
Lang Kachalako.
how many kids that you want to have?
I want to have as much as kids as my balls can produce.
Ay, bafana
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Relax. English is my name, my little name.
Yeah. So which grade are you doing?
I'm not in a grade.
Yeah.
And I'm in a higher phase.
Yeah.
I'm in college.
Oh,
actually.
yes. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you in a tertiary level.
Yes.
What we
It's
think that you are
England.
doing there at college?
Well, it's plumbing actually.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like plumbing?
Yes. I loved it.
Yeah.
And I chose it because I loved it and I saw myself that I'm capable to do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
To
yes.
do toilets, sewage. Yeah. You like sewage, toilets?
Yes. Have mine. No. Not like that.
Hey, why? Hey, man, why? Why you choosing? Why you choosing plumbing, bro? Why you choosing? Because you like sewage, yeah.
Yes.
You like stamkoko, you like those things. Yes. Why you choosing? Why you choosing plumbing?
Yes, I chose plumbing because I have research about it. You
Yes,
understand?
yeah.
And I found that there's different kind of plumbing.
Yeah.
We call. Yes. So there's plumbing that is most be done at the ocean.
Yeah. Oh,
like
yeah.
Plumbing the kumbis.
Yes. Sheep.
Sheep. Yes. Bola making. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like that. So
You giving him a mbuzi, because he don't know.
I know.
All right. Yeah. Oh, you want to specialize on shipping?
Yes.
Or plumbing on shipping,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Even on shipping, there is a toilet, there is sewage, there is. my friend.
No.
You will never specialize. You will specialize on sinking on the ship. You will specialize on yeah. Yes. You get it, yeah?
No, it's not specific of the bush.
Yeah.
It's not specific of the sewage.
Yes.
It also includes different kind of activities that we do based on plumbing.
Yes, but in a ship, there's you fixing maybe or sinking maybe and what and sewage and toilet and I think this the three of things
but
that you are fixing. Yeah.
Yes.
And the meter pump.
Yes, and meter pump. Yes, it's number 4.
Yes.
So those things that you are going to maintain it. You see. Yes. Water recycling. Yes. So you're gonna specialize on things, but switch is the right thing. It's the right thing.
No.
I know
For me,
man, and also in municipality. So you going to be employed by Maspala municipality doing stamp kokozi, doing fixing stamp kokozi.
Yes.
You see,
Hayi mfethu ngeke mfethu stamkoko.
Yeah, but follow up mngani wami.
Mfethu King Kukasi mfethu on Facebook,
Yeah.
King Kukasi mfethu on TikTok, also included on YouTube.
Yeah.
Asoba Instagram.
Yeah. Why?
We are supporting in different kind of social media platform.
Yeah. So how you can maybe motivate the people who want to be who want to look of crew class, look after crew class. Yeah.
If I look in my character, and I am the man, who goes forward no matter what. So I can advise another kids behind that to never give up no matter what.
Yeah.
If your thing doesn't into
our relationship between you and your father ngizwe mchunu.
Yes.
Unjani mhlawumbe nje uma usichazele umuntu nje mfethu ukuthi time lakho njani?
I don't know how can I beg at this, but he's a great father and he's been there. Yes. He's been there, especially as a father and doing his duty. Njengokuthi nje phela mfowethu nali parish alibe khona unganizwe. So his duty is doing it very great. Angikhali ngalutho nje mina angihlupheki. Ayikho into ngathi ngibhlungu ngayo ngoba cha.
So do you know that you look similar with your father?
People say it. People say it.
Yeah.
But if I see it in myself in the mirror, when I look like him, I have to make the ugly face.
Oh yeah.
I make the ugly face, and then I look like him. On my specific. Yeah, King Kukas. It's King Kukas.
But cook of it, going and cook with them.
Yes, I'm cook them. Cook them in the pipe.
What is Kukas?
Kukas. Kukas refers as Kukambet.
Oh yes.
Yes, Kukambet, Ukukanu veveze.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So I was the king of chivalry.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I was just a little boy that time who was very, very, very sensitive of the crew codeness.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I was very sensitive. So growing up like that and ziningi igama engazenza ngokugodola ngoba ngase ngiyinkosi yokugodola kanje.
Oh, kugodola, right.
Yes.
Where you cooking?
Echinkandla.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I was
Mahlatha Mnyama.
Yes, I was living at there.
Yeah.
Time and I was cooking so much. And then Tiz was so okay, this boy is shivering everywhere, every moment, every time, every season. So they named me as King Kukas because I was the shivering. Yes. Thank you very much.
Imipelo kwakushayitha ke. Iloko phela ukungishayela esifubeni. Yathujulwa lapha. Funeka siyeke lapha kulo yamhlanje. Hayi nangabe ngiyanibuya. Ngishayikhala kuphela mina. Phela mina ngayifunda lento kulo kujana ema movie yokuthi
Owayenza move. Owayenza move, owaye-act move.
Cha nge-actor.
Oh yeah.
Uyibuka noku-analyze ukuthi yabona ufike uyithi target. Yabona njengoba ngisaphefumula ngisakhuluma nje. Vele target ngiyayiluza. Yabo.
Faka qawo.
Yabona about to breathe in.
Ngeke kwenzeke lutho baba, ngeke kwenzeke lutho, abuzolinda. Oh yeah, sangeni. Ekhaya. Ayilingani.
Nazo zizodwa nje yebo. Drink yodwa lo.
Uhamba kanjani nisibuyisele emuva njengoba nixoxa ngokukhula ngikhuleka kanjani ekhaya
Kulinga kulento engisho nje ukukhula yikho lokho.
Kunjani futhi kodwa lesithathu likhona elilodwa emayini
Yini enzima lapha? Yini enzima? Yini enzima futhi mama?
sesikabhebe ikhulu
Yini enzima futhi?
methatha le usesikabhebe
Hayibo kusavuleki lana, kusavuleki lana.
Ilokhu izona izitezi lapha yazi ngiyayilahla phansi ndo uyakhumbula late ithi ngeke kuqala
Ngabuzo sinesitezi. Nakuthe sinamanzi ha. Ugesi khona? Angifuni i-Wi-Fi mina.
Cha hayi into yokugcina negama ethi wife ngalazi kwazi Oscar.
nakhipha usiga uzothatha
all right
no ngayikhipha ngi-packing yeah
oh
Uzoshiya ikhamera yodwa baba bese sizothatha i-feed from Okhanya for i-audio.
Oh nini pheka ni manje?
siyaka-max oh no siya elo
Phakela umthakazi.
Baba mawuqeda isemlalo.
Ayihamba niyeke impela hawu khangwe ngizabezela lo. Cha sangibona.
Baba after sizothatha yodwa.
After awungenzeli besimile. Kane nanibuzana ngoba libalekile.
phela ngini mase
Uyishibikela lapha nalona nje ophikela umama lapho ukuthi wayidayisa mina ngiyazi.
angithi yabona into le
Wayidayisa vele mana kanti namanje ngifuna iqiniso nini manje ngifuna manje.
sifuna iqiniso cha yini kuright
Wayidayisa ngize mina ngifaka ama-ilo bona masabela ngaphansi. Ibe bona masabela ngaphansi ithi. Ubekathi ayidayisiwe ofakathi bathiwayisi.
cela uwaphendule kamafoni mase
Hawu,
kunisele
ngihudula ikhengi ngihudula afela ngakunengi yake labantu bazoma ngiyabonakala
We're here by shooting now. Podcasting.
Angazi